Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how to restore a rusty cast iron in just a couple of minutes. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, this pan is covered in rust, and that's my fault. I let it sit in the sink and it had water. So we just need a couple of things. First is baking soda and then a scouring pad, and I'm using the Scrub Daddy version, but you can use steel wool, you can use Scotch-Brite, just any sort of scouring pad. And while we clean, we're gonna set our oven to 500 degrees to get it preheated to season our cast iron. And I actually have a baking soda sensitivity to my skin, so I'm gonna wear gloves for this. But if baking soda doesn't bother you, you can skip this step. So I'm gonna just sprinkle in a layer of baking soda like that. And just a little bit of water to kind of make a paste. Then I'm gonna grab one of my scouring pads, wet it down, and start scrubbing. You can see the baking soda is already helping just kind of get that rust to detach from the cast iron. It's super satisfying. And I'm gonna rinse and repeat. And I'm gonna get baking soda to kind of coat the sides and start working the edge here. And then it's time for some elbow grease. Now I'm gonna break the cardinal rule and use a little bit of dish soap. This messes up your seasoned coating, but we're trying to kind of get through that to get down to that rust, and we're gonna re-season this. So we're gonna break the rule today and use soap in our cast iron. So you're just gonna add baking soda and rinse as many times as it takes until you can scrub all the rust out. Now we're gonna completely dry our cast iron with a paper towel because we need to add oil and we don't want water in there with it to continue the rusting process. Next up, I'm going to take some canola oil and a paper towel and just put a small amount in my pan and take a paper towel and thoroughly coat it, but wiping up any excess oil, because this is what's going to help season our pan in the oven. Make sure you season the sides and the bottom as well. And finally the handle. And I'm going to do the same for the lid. Then we're going to go into our 500 degree oven. We're going to put our pan upside down. And I have a sheet pan at the bottom to catch any spills, but you could just put a piece of aluminum foil. And our lid. And we'll leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, it has been 30 minutes, so we're going to take our pan and our lid out of the oven. And now if there's little smoke coming off of it, that's a good sign. And we are going to give it another coat of oil and bake it at 500 degrees for another 30 minutes. So I'm gonna add some oil straight onto the paper towel and be super careful because the pan is scalding hot. Again, both sides, being extra careful. And we can already see that deep black cast iron color coming back. So second coat is done. We're gonna put it back in the oven for 30 minutes at 500 and then let it cool in the oven and we're done. Okay, our pan is finally cool and it looks so much better. Look at that. There's no rust. It looks beautiful and shiny black. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.